Hi, this is Abdul Wahab, Assistant Teacher of Shastra High School. Today, I shall stay for some time for the class 7 students of my school. How are you, my dear learners? I think you are fine. I am also fine. Today, we shall enjoy your English first part class. You know, there are 4 skills in a language. They are listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Of them, today I shall take your listening test. Now, be prepared. Okay. At first, you have to listen to carefully. Then, you have to write down your answer on your khata. And the answer script should be sent to me through message, okay, as it bears 10 marks, okay. Now we can start. I am talking about a thing. This thing is used for writing on khata. Where? It's used for writing on khata. It has ink within its body. Okay. Without it, no student cannot study, cannot read. Now my question, what thing is it? Okay, write down your answer on your khata. Next, I am talking about a thing. This thing is used for taking air, for being cool. Whenever we feel hot, we feel warm, then we need air. We can take air in 2 types. They are, one is handmade thing and the other is run by electricity. Okay, it has 3 blades. If there is electricity or if you switch on, then this thing started to move and it gives us air. We become soothed. We get comfort. Okay, what thing is it? I think you have understood. Now write your khata on your answer script. Okay. Then I am talking about a thing. This thing is used for carrying teaching learning materials. You keep your books in it. You can carry your clothes or any other materials within it. Particularly, you keep your books, khatas or other materials within it and bring to school. Now my question, what thing is it? It may be various colors like black, red or striped. Okay. Do you need any more information? No. I think that you have understood. Okay. Write it on your khata. Now, I am talking about a thing. This thing gives us time. Okay? It is kept on the wall, on the table, or sometimes we use in our hand. Okay? It may be big or small. Okay. Now my question, what thing is it? I think you have understood. Okay. Now I am talking about a tree. The tree gives us juice. During winter, we drink juice. If the juice is burnt, is cooked, it gives us molasses. Okay? Molasses is used for cooking or used for making various types of pita. We can eat chira, muri, khoi, etc. with the use of this thing. Okay? I think you have understood. Now my question, what thing is it? Okay, I think you have understood it. Okay. Next, I am talking about a plant. The plant is used for getting sugar. It is available all around us. Okay. It is used for getting sugar. Okay. During winter, we give to the sugar mill, and sugar mill gives us sugar. Now my question, what type of plant is it? I think you have understood it. Okay. Now, I am talking about an animal. The animal gives us milk, meat, leather, etc. Okay? Sometimes we use it for plowing or for cultivating our lands. It is very useful animal to us. What type of animal is it? I think you have understood. Now, jot down, that means write down on your khata. Then, I am talking about a bird. The bird cannot fly. It can live both on water or in our house. It lays eggs all the year round. Its eggs are very tasty. Now my question, what type of bird is it? Okay. Now I am talking about a thing. This thing is used for talking to remote persons, remote people. Okay? You can calculate, you can draw picture, or you can use internet through this device, through this thing. Okay. Now my question, what type of thing is it? I think you have understood. Okay. Now I am talking about a vehicle. The vehicle doesn't need any fuel, diesel or petrol. It doesn't pollute our environment. It is the best vehicle in the world, as it doesn't pollute our environment. Okay. It has two wheels. Particularly boy students, now you see that girl students use it for going one place to another. Now my question, what type of vehicle is it? I think you have understood. Now I am talking about a vehicle. The vehicle has also two wheels. It needs petrol or octane. It can carry only 1 to 3 persons at a time. It is available in our country. Okay. Now my question, what thing is it? I think you have understood. Okay, you have heard these things, or after completing this writing, you have to send a message to me by preparing all the answers. Okay, and I will preserve it and I will score it. Okay.